Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can earn money online on a new freelancing platform. So let me search for Comeup. Here you can see this is the website, just you can open, and after that you can find out various sellers. So these are the freelancers, and here you can see this is a new platform. Let me go in the graphic design, and here you can check the profiles. So this freelancer completed 42 projects, and you can also check the other freelancers, more than 30 projects each freelancer completed. So you can easily create your profile here. If you are a freelancer, you are doing on Fiverr as well as Upwork, you can also create account here. You can check the categories and simply you can create your account according to your skills. Simply click here, become a seller, and after that then again click here. Then here you can select one of the option. Let me click here, sign up with email, and now let me provide here email. And here I can provide username, then after that now I need to add password. Then scroll down, and here you can add referral code if available, and after that you can select the option I want to sell, then confirm registration. Okay guys, here you can see account is created. Now let me check email. Here you can see now we got an email from the website. Simply click here, confirm. Okay, now email address is validated. Simply click here, become a seller, then start selling. Now here you can see complete public profile. Here you need to add profile image as well as bio, then various other tabs you need to fill out these, and after completing these you will be able to sell here your services. So let me go in my other account. Here you can see, and after that let me go in the services. Here you can see I have published one service, and here you can see these are the orders that I got. So after that let me go back to the services, then simply click here new service, then scroll down, and here we can add service title. Let me add here I will build Shopify store website. Then after that now we can select the category. So make sure that you have selected the correct category. Let me select website development, and after that here we can select the platform. Let me select this one, then save and continue. And now we need to add some description. So now click here, save and continue. and after that again save it. So now we need to select an image from the gallery. Let me upload an image. Then click save and continue. And now check these options. Then save and continue. So guys, here you can see now we have published a service, but that is in pending. That will be approved soon, and after that we will be able to sell our services, and our gig will be displayed to the buyers so that they can easily place orders and get services. Okay, thank you.